Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to remove a background or remove a green screen in various ways. First method, we open our Chrome browser and type green screen background remover. Then we select the top result because, as you can see, it's 100% automatic, which means the process is fast. We click on it. You can see that it's 100% automatic and free, you don't have to pay, and your video will look like this. Here you can log in, but it's not too important. So we click Upload Clip. Insert the video you want to remove the background from. Wait a moment. As you can see, the website trying to remove the background like this, and it looks great. Then click Download. We have successfully downloaded it, and this is the result. Second method, to remove a photo background, type Remove Green Screen, then choose the second option. Click Remove Background. Insert the photo you want to remove the background from. Then, upload the photo. As you can see, the website trying to remove the background like this, and it looks great. Click Download, and here it is, a cat without a background. You can also download it in HD here, but it's not necessarily required. Third method, type Photopea, then open the first link. Click New Project here. You can adjust the size depending on the size of your photo. I'll choose this one. Then insert the photo by selecting File and choosing Open. Now we have the image. Then select at the top and choose Remove BG. BG stands for background. Here is the result. An image without a background, and you just need to save it. Fourth method, we can use a software called CapCut. Import the video you want to insert. Place the green screen in the first layer. Click Cutout. Check Chroma key. Then direct it to the color you want to remove. I'll remove the green screen color. Adjust the strength and shadow. Once done, insert the video or image to replace the green screen. The video is on the first layer, so we move the video to the second layer and switch the layers. Adjust the position and size, and here is the result. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and comment if you succeeded. See you in the next tutorial video.